the unit CT right now, okay, so that you can start doing. Meanwhile, I have a couple of things to confirm from you all regarding tomorrow's classes, online, offline. So I am sending you the unit CT right now. After that, I will send you the dictation CT, because dictation CT you won't be able to do if I talk. So right now, I am sending you the unit CT. And as and when I call out your names, please answer quickly what all questions I ask. All right, just a minute. I'm just sending the link. We have the HRM also. That's why I planned to keep both today together, because I've already taken the CT of 5A. That's yes, yes. Please don't ask. Just go. You're not in the classroom right now.
You will send a link, no?
Yeah, I'm sending a link. Please check. And I'm sending the link in the classroom also.
होती है यूनिट सीटी है तो पता ही नहीं।
यूनिट सीटी है, यूनिट टेस्ट होती है मंथ के एंडिंग में, जैसे क्लास एंडिंग टेस्ट जैसे होती है।
वो है ना,
यूनिट सीटी मतलब कोई एक यूनिट कंप्लीट होता है ऐसे।
मतलब पूरा कोई चैप्टर आफ्टर कंप्लीट।
Okay. Anya Mittal. Quickly give me a yes. Anya Mittal. Is she there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Anya. I have something to confirm. So you are coming to school tomorrow, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And how are you coming? School transport, own transport?
School transport, ma'am.
You have not informed school.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I have
Ma'am,
tried to mail to
Nobody
you.
will speak except me and the child whom I am talking to. Enough. Don't make things difficult. Yeah, Anya.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Anya,
Yes,
Yes, ma'am,
ma'am.
your voice is coming.
I am not
Ma'am,
talking to
my
you.
voice is at 96 and it's still pretty low.
Ma'am, you can speak.
All those whom I'm not asking, please zip your mouth and sit. It doesn't matter whether you are able to hear me or not. The person whom I'm talking to is able to hear me is enough. Anya, you're able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am,
Thank you.
clearly.
I don't know why these people are bothered, why you are not able to hear me. So you're not taking the school transport, you're taking the school transport.
I am taking school transport, ma'am.
Okay, so I am confirming this. Okay, now you cannot change.
Yes.
You're sure, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah.
School transport. And you're taking the school food also.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Arna Agarwal, put your mic on.
Yes, ma'am.
Arna, you're coming to school, you're taking school transport, you're taking school food.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next. Anushka,
Doing online.
I will say, you have to confirm. You're doing online?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you're not, taking school transport, not food, because you're not coming to school already, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Earlier you had
Excuse me,
mentioned.
Catherine, ma'am. And there is a problem in the CET. When I'm pressing, I completed the first question, but the second and third, I'm not able to press only the option.
Children, what about you all? You're able to do, Priya?
Yes, ma'am, we are
Yes,
able to.
ma'am.
The area, the problem is at your end. It's no problem with the Google form. And now you will not switch on your mic. Aryaman Sangai.
Yes,
Okay, Aryaman, what is it? I don't have any information about you. You're coming to school online, what?
Ma'am, I am coming offline. My mother told in the school.
You're coming offline.
Yes.
So you are taking school transport?
Ma'am, it's I don't know, but my mother's knows.
What about food, Aryaman?
Ma'am, my mother know. I don't know anything.
What is it, Aryaman? You're in grade 5 and you don't know what's going to happen with you tomorrow. You don't know whether the bus is going to pick you up or someone is going to drop you. What is
My
it?
mother didn't told.
Wow. Please send a mail, call your mom. She's in the office right now.
Yes, she's no. I will call her and
Wait, listen to me. Right away call
yes.
her and send me a mail or tell me right now. Call her right now. Ask her about the transport and the food and inform me right now. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. Ayush, what about you? It says offline, school transport, school food. Correct?
Ma'am, Ayush,
Yeah,
right?
Ayush.
Yeah, ma'am. Going offline and school transport, school food.
Great. Daksh Patel. Where is Daksh Patel?
Ma'am, I'm going
Yeah.
offline. Ma'am, I'm going off.
You're coming to school tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am.
And what about school transport? Who's going to come and drop you? School transport.
School transfer.
And food?
Ma'am, food in school only.
Sure, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Dhairya Shah.
Ma'am,
Yes, Ayush.
ma'am, I'm so sorry to interrupt, but can I ask something?
No, not right now. If it's not related to this that I'm doing, not right now.
It's about
Yes, Catherine, ma'am.
Dhairya, you're coming to school tomorrow?
Yes, ma'am.
And school transport and school food.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Dhyan Dalal. What? Offline, online?
Online. Offline. Sorry, offline. Ma'am,
Again. Offline.
offline.
Offline. And school food?
School food and school transport.
Okay, done. Jan Shalya. Come on, quickly. Jan Shalya. Don't answer. We'll not come to pick you up only. Good. Ikansh.
Yes, ma'am. I'm going offline. School transport and school food.
Thank you for saving my energy. Freya.
Ma'am, offline school transport and school food.
School transport, school food. Okay, great. Gunav. Gunav. Yes, sir. Gunav, your mic is off, bacha. Jan Shalya, are you going to answer or should we not pick you up tomorrow? This is not done. Gunav,
Shilya.
very good.
Ma'am,
People are not going to pick up tomorrow. Jahan Agarwal. How long does it take for you people to say a yes, children? Jahan Agarwal is absent. Please say he's absent.
मुझे चाहिए ना
Ma'am, offline.
Gunav, offline. One child is talking. Gunav, offline.
Yes, ma'am.
School food
Yes, ma'am.
and transport.
No, ma'am.
What no, ma'am? School transport you are not taking.
Yes, ma'am.
Guna, ma'am, no, ma'am. What are you doing? Now confirm again.
Ma'am,
Tell mama to come on the call. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Good
ma'am.
morning. Is he
Very good
taking
morning.
school transport?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, fine, ma'am. And
And food, and ma'am, he's taking the food.
okay, fine, ma'am. And he's coming to school. No transport, but
Yes.
food is there.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am. Thank you. Jahan Agarwal, have you come or not? Is he absent? Aryaman, I need the confirmation right now. Tell me right now. What is it?
Excuse me. Ma'am, school food and school transport. My mother told now.
You are going to take.
Yes.
Okay. Aryaman. Offline, school, transport, and school. Fine. I have confirmed it, okay? I have
Okay, ma'am.
confirmed it. Jahan Agarwal is not there. Karnav. Karnav,
Ma'am, offline school transport and school food.
thank you so much. Love you. Kevna. Kevna, I will ask later. Kushuja.
I'm coming to offline with school food and school transport only. Both.
Great. Lakshay.
I'm a school offline and school food and school transport.
Good. Migdal.
Ma'am, online.
Online.
Yeah, ma'am.
Sure.
And because of the new corona thingy.
Fine. So I'm putting online for you. Alright.
Okay, ma'am.
Mohit.
Ma'am, if I finish the link you have sent,
Yes, ma'am.
can I submit?
What
Yes, ma'am.
Migdal?
Can I submit? Can I submit
Yeah,
the
please submit. Please
CT?
submit. Please submit. I am sending you the link for the dictation, but there will be disturbance because I still have to confirm few names.
Ma'am, I completed.
There, you're not supposed to make announcements. Not a new thing in the class. 5B dictation. One sec.
Okay, ma'am.
Who is this? Okay, ma'am.
Me, Vaidi, I write it in chat box.
Vedi, I did not ask you only. Why are you typing in the chat box?
Yeah, ma'am, I
Please,
just
Vedi, put the mic off. Put the mic off forever. I will ask you, then you switch on your mic and answer all my questions. Okay? Give me a thumbs up. Good, great. Vedi, in the meanwhile, start doing the dictation. I posted the link in the chat box. Okay, I was on Mohit Sharma. Mohit Sharma. Absent. Very good. Nishika Chakti. Nishika Chakti also absent. Great. Nishika Chokshi.
Ma'am, Nishika Choksi is not the influencer.
And Rahil. Rahil Patel has left the meeting. He was there.
Yes.
Rudra.
Can I say something?
No. Rudra Jijadia. रुद्र
Yes, ma'am.
जिजानिया
का ऑनलाइन रहेगा अभी
ठीक है मैम
वो
हाँ बस का कुछ इश्यू है, अगर बस वाले यहाँ तक आएंगे तो ऑफलाइन होने वाला है, लेकिन वो अभी उसका ऑनलाइन है।
ऑनलाइन है, ओके, ऑनलाइन, ठीक है मैम। रुद्र मास्टर, क्विकली कंफर्म।
Ma'am, I am offline and bus transport and food transport is yes.
Rudra Master, offline. Okay, here I have got a consent that you are bringing your own food. So what is it? School food?
No, ma'am.
School food?
Yes.
Fine, I'm confirming the school food. Samriddhi,
Ma'am, offline and home food and transport, yes.
school transport.
Yeah, school.
Okay, great. Twisha, absent today. Absent. Vedi, now tell me, beta. You're going to attend what? Online, offline?
Offline.
Offline.
Ma'am, can you send the link of Unit 6?
Which morning, Mohit? What time was the class?
Ma'am, I left the meeting of net.
Unit.
The Wi-Fi was gone, so I am taking hotspot from my mom's phone.
One sec, Mohit. I'm sorting out yours. Wait. Nobody will talk.
Ma'am, please check the chat box.
Ekant, leave my class. This is an English class and you people don't understand English. So leave my class. Go attend some Gujarati Hindi class. And I don't have time to check the chat box when I'm doing some important work. Mr. Ekant Jain, I'm not your personal secretary. One sec. Mohit, where are you?
I'm here.
Can someone in the class send the link of Unit 6 again in the chat box, please?
Ma'am, I have sent. Ma'am, I have sent.
Thank you, Karna. Thank you so much. Mohit, you had logged off. Mohit, Nishika, just wait. Don't. Mohit, I have
Yes.
not got your confirmation. Tomorrow, what is it? Nishika, stop, yeah.
I'm doing online class. My
Online.
parents are
Okay.
online.
Online.
My
Nishika,
father is telling.
Nishika, online, offline?
Yes, ma'am.
Online or offline?
Ma'am, yeah, she'll be doing online. I'm on my way to school only. Offline, sorry. She'll be doing offline. Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. And what about the school transport and school food, ma'am?
Ma'am, she'll be using school transport, so I'm coming to school only for the same. And food, she'll be carrying from home.
Okay, so you're not opting for school food.
Actually,
Okay,
her
ma'am.
grandfather was hesitant for sending her. Now he's agreed to send her. So that's okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
I have confirmed that. Thank you.
Okay, yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Rahil is back or not? Rahil? No?
Ma'am.
Big Bag, what is it?
Yes, ma'am, I can't hear the dictation, so I was asking if I can.
I said
Ma'am, Rahil is not there.
today. So you leave, come back.
That's okay. I can leave and then join again after this. Yes, thank you.
Ridan Goyal, tell me.
Ma'am, can I also leave and do
Can
the
I do what I'm supposed to do, Dhairya? Leave and come back. How difficult is that to understand?
Ma'am, I will be online. I'm doing online.
Ridan, online, offline?
Online.
Online. Okay. We were on Vedi. Vedi offline, right? Where is Vedi gone?
Yeah.
And
Yes,
school
ma'am.
transport?
Ma'am, I get confused.
Call Mama quickly. Call Mama quickly.
Mummy,
Put your mic off. Vivan Balchandani, switch on your camera.
ma'am, offline school transport and food, school food.
Okay, great. Thank you. Just the size.
Ma'am,
बोलिए मैम.
Yes,
Good
wait.
morning.
Just wait. वेदी मैम बोल रही है कि ऑफलाइन स्कूल आने वाली है ना? तो स्कूल ट्रांसपोर्ट लेने वाली है
हाँ ले लिया.
और खाना स्कूल फूड है.
खाना भी स्कूल में ही है.
food school.
ओके मैम, थैंक यू. ये कंफर्म कर.
Excuse me, ma'am.
यस निशिका.
I can't hear the dictation's audio, so I'll leave the class and
Yes, decide.
Ma'am, online.
No point asking you. You can't come from Dubai and attend the class, no? Online.
Ma'am, I wanted to come. I almost booked the flight.
Oh, I miss you.
Ma'am, can I leave because I can't hear the dictation?
Okay, now all questions are answered. I hope you don't have a doubt. All the doubts will be cleared in the HRM. Now, please don't ask any questions. If you have questions,
ma'am,
type in the chat box. I'll answer quickly. Come on. Keep your mic off. Type in the chat box.
हाँ मैम, टाइम टेबल कब आएगा?
5 बजे तक आ जाएगा मैम, पक्का.
ओके,
क्लास में आ जाएगा, मैं भेज दूंगी.
तो कल से टाइम टेबल के हिसाब से ही चलेगा क्लास?
यस यस यस.
और वर्क वगैरह सब कुछ आप लोग टीआरपी पे भेजेंगे या इस पे ही भेजेंगे?
Children who have opted for online class, सब सुन लो. पेरेंट्स ऑल्सो, कि जिन जिन लोगों ने ऑनलाइन क्लास अटेंड की कर रहे हैं, उनका होमवर्क हम आपको बताएंगे कैसे जाएगा, क्लास वर्क कैसे आएगा, वो वी विल टेल यू टुमारो. It will be same only. It will be actually same only. We'll be operating the same class. There are no changes whatsoever for you all. 5A, 5B, no changes. All right? Okay? Put your mic off now. Dhyan, do you still have questions?
मैम कल व्हाइट टी शर्ट है या
White, rosy white. वो white भेजोगे तो भी चलेगा.
मैं एक ही लेके आई हूँ.
हाँ, white.
एक दिन हाउस टी शर्ट है, एक दिन व्हाइट टी शर्ट है, ऐसा करके चलेगा ना?
चलेगा मैम.
Ma'am, but tomorrow we are.
Can you give me 2 minutes, Rita? 2 minutes.
Okay.
मैम आई हैव डाउट.
Ma'am, in dictation I had write the right answer, but it's showing wrong, and I had not do the space too.
Samriddhi, is it that you are doing it for the first time? I
But it's showing I had not done.
it manually. Don't worry. Let it say. Daksh Patel, call your mama quickly.
मैम मॉम इज आउट. डैडी से.
हेलो मैम. हेलो मैम.
Yes,
मैम
yes, sir.
हेलो मैम, उसका है ना वो उसका टी शर्ट नहीं है अभी उसके पास।
स्कूल टी शर्ट की बात कर रहे हैं?
वाइट टी शर्ट नहीं है उसका।
अच्छा, तो आप
मैम आई हैव हाउस।
हाँ तो बच्चा हाउस टी शर्ट पहन के आ जाओ, उसमें क्या है?
हाँ, क्योंकि ना मेरा एक्सीडेंट हुआ है तो मैं नहीं आ सकता स्कूल पे
हाँ
अभी।
हाँ सर, नो प्रॉब्लम। आप उसको हाउस टी शर्ट पहना के
हाँ।
भेज दीजिए, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है।
ठीक ठीक
और
ठीक थैंक यू।
स्कूल फूड और स्कूल ट्रांसपोर्ट लेने वाला है?
हाँ हाँ लेने वाले हैं।
ठीक है, थैंक यू।
थैंक यू मैम।
Any other questions do people have? Please type in the chat box. I'm checking right now. Nobody has questions? Ekant. Amazing, Ekant. How did it let you do it in the first place? We're doing it from
Because my sister's account is TVIS account. Means like a P dot that.
which grade is she in?
Ma'am, first.
Good. Yes, Yash, what is your question? I can't see you today, Yash. What?
Ma'am, because she is in the school means.
Yash, Dhyan Shalia, thank God. Thank God.
मैम कल सब बुक लेकर आनी है?
मैम आज शाम को 5 बजे के बाद आपको क्लासरूम में टाइम टेबल मिल जाएगा, आपको उसके अकॉर्डिंग बुक भेजनी है।
और
जैसे कि
बुक्स आप वहाँ पे रखने वाले हो
नहीं
या
नहीं नहीं नहीं,
रोज वापस?
सब घर वापस।
ओके 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 थैंक यू मैम।
मैम
दूसरी बात मैम, मैं कब से इसको बोल रही हूँ कि कैमरा ऑन करो, माइक ऑन करो। ध्यान, प्लीज कॉल योर पेरेंट्स अगेन because you are not going to skip my notes. Call your mama again. Jan Shelia.
Ma'am, see in the chat box.
हाँ बच्चा। No, Yash. Timetable will be sent today in the evening. Check after 5 p.m. ध्यान की मम्मा। हाँ मैम, ये स्कूल ट्रांसपोर्ट लेने वाला है कल?
हाँ यस यस मैम।
बस में आएगा है ना? और खाना
वहाँ पे स्कूल पे ही है।
ठीक है।
हमने दोनों का लिया है, फूड और ट्रांसपोर्ट।
कितना भी नहीं बता रहा है वो मुझे, आप बोलो क्या करूं मैं इसका? कल आने दो आपको।
बस कल आप उसके इसीलिए हम भेजने वाले हैं।
अच्छा काम टीचर से भेजो मुझे भी उसको
हमने तो फर्स्ट दिन ही हमने फॉर्म भर दिया था।
मैं भी बहुत ईगर हूँ ध्यान चलिए की आवाज सुनने के लिए।
आप उसको खड़े करके बोलना। देखो कल मैं आई थी स्कूल पे यूनिफॉर्म के लिए, मैं कल में और ध्यान आए थे।
अच्छा
ऑनलाइन पूरा हुआ न तभी आए।
हाँ ठीक है।
कुछ नहीं, कल उसका फर्स्ट दिन है मैम। थोड़ा
श्योर ना, आप चिंता मत करो।
फर्स्ट दिन है, 2 साल में पहली बार ही आएगा स्कूल देखने के लिए।
हम हैं यहाँ पे, चिंता मत करो।
ओके
मैम प्लीज।
हाँ बच्चा, ये रुद्र बोलिए, टेल मी। रुद्र मास्टर, व्हाट हैपेंड? Rudra, children, are you able to hear me?
Ma'am, I forgot.
Now he's saying,
yeah, ma'am.
Ma'am, I forgot that what I am trying to say.
Start eating almonds, bachcha. Fiber.
Ma'am, can you send the dictation link in the classroom because I can't hear, so I'll do it.
Ma'am, yes.
I'm sending to you.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, in where I live, there is a one student in 6th class, Prithvi Patel.
Yeah.
So, she lives beside me also. So, if my bus route not comes, so I can access.
Please call the transport department, mail them. You can't board a bus like this.
Ma'am, I have mailed them.
So they will answer 5 p.m. You will get taught. Mail me also. Mail me. Huh? Mail me. Yes,
Ma'am, and
Daksh
she is my
Patel,
sister.
you have a question? Daksh Patel.
No, ma'am.
Okay, yes.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes, Daksh, tell me with them.
Ma'am, how much time the bus will reach house?
You will receive the route by today evening 5 o'clock in the classroom. Okay? Yash. Yash can't hear me or what?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, I went to do the dictation.
You come back, no? Yes, Rudra Master.
Ma'am, I'm going to tux up, so can I leave it?
Yeah.
Leave the class?
Yeah.
Ma'am, same.
No problem. Any more questions you have, children, please ask now.
And ma'am,
Yes, Lakshya. What is your question?
yeah, I forgot what I am saying.
All of you need to start eating almonds. I forgot.
Ma'am, I
First you
always
raise
eating
your
almonds.
hand, and when I ask what is your question,
Ma'am, I
I
eat
forgot what I was
almonds.
supposed to ask.
Ma'am, I eat almonds.
Ma'am,
I also eat almonds.
Excuse me, Catherine, ma'am.
Yeah,
Right now there is the period of HRM only, right?
Yeah, 12, 20.
Yeah, because I completed my dictation and joined again.
Great. So, with that, why online, beta? I am
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Ma'am, because of the new corona variant.
poor beta.
My
But it's okay.
is a chance of go to school.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
Yes, I wanted to, but then my mom was like, no, let's see.
Catherine, ma'am, do you know me and Miktat, na?
I met your mom with that today.
Huh?
I met your mom today. In the morning.
Catherine, ma'am, do you know from when I was small, na, Miktat was my best friend. So every time I want that he comes in my class and sit beside me. But now there is a chance he is in my class, but he will not sit beside me.
Yeah. No, things will get good. Let's pray.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
That was even my best friend from a long time.
Yes, Vedi, what is your question?
Tomorrow timing?
Somebody please.
Ma'am,
answer my
really?
question.
Ma'am,
Vedi.
some ma'am told tomorrow we will 5 o'clock. We will go 5 o'clock. Ma'am, 8:30 to 1:45.
Vedi, listen. I'll be sending the timetable in your 5B classroom after 5 p.m.
Ma'am,
After 5 p.m. today in the evening, I'll be sending the new timetable which all of you will start following from tomorrow. Yes, with the
online class
yeah.
and
Both
offline,
same.
Okay.
Because it's going to go simultaneously.
Ma'am,
All right? Yes, Rudra Jajadia.
Ma'am, in the dictation, the first question's answer is showing wrong.
Because you copy pasted the answer. So obviously it is so wrong. I am more smart than you people. You don't know me yet. I purposely did that to catch hold of all these notorious children who try to act smart with me.
Ma'am, in one I just forgot to put full stop in the last fourth one. That's why my 4 marks came. Otherwise, it was full.
I have to check the forms manually only because it's a sentence situation, so it's okay. And next time, another thing, all the CTs that will be having from now on will be what?
Offline.
Offline. And all those who are coming, not coming to school and will be attending the online class will write them in their respective notebooks. Like if it's a math CT, you have to write in math notebook, English CT, English notebook, and click a picture right away and send it to me in the classroom. I'll be preparing a folder also for that. And
That only subjective or objective?
done in the notebook. Trisha, switch on your mic, camera, please.
Ma'am, I can't figure out the third one.
Trisha,
Yes, ma'am.
switch on your camera.
Ma'am, Ayush can't figure out the third one.
Then it is not Catherine ma'am's problem.
Ma'am, can you tell what the third one is? I can know the starting one only. I can't understand the starting one. Only tell the starting 2 words. Ma'am, you can at least tell the starting 2 words.
You're saying the first one?
No, third one. Third one. Third.
Third one. One second.
Third.
I'll have to open the dictation again. Wait. Okay. The third one I use is an urgent need.
An urgent need. I was thinking it was an urgent meet or something like that. What is it using in pollution?
When you don't read the sentences at home, this is how you.
I have read it. I even revised it before the class.
Okay, quiet now. I need to talk to Trisha. Trisha Chandrana, stop busy bee. Stop talking to someone on the phone and talk to me.
Ma'am, actually, my mom wanted to ask something to you, so I was just calling.
Even I want to ask a lot of things from you. You were not there. Okay. First thing, you're coming to school online, offline. First thing, confirm this. Online, offline.
Offline.
Huh?
Offline, sorry. Offline.
Decide. I'm going to ask it again. What?
Offline. Okay.
Offline. So you're coming to school tomorrow.
Yes.
So are you going to take the school transport?
Yes.
And I'm going to take the school food?
Yes.
That's it. Thank you. Anybody else? Arna Agarwal?
Yes, ma'am.
All set to come to school tomorrow, or you still have some exams pending?
Ma'am, I have to complete all the pending work today. Like 2 weeks pending work. And like in...
Your camera is off.
Ma'am, not working today.
Okay.
I don't know.
Okay, no problem.
And like I have to, like today my all the tuition teachers also are calling me that please come. So like today also I'm all packed, but I have to wake up till late in the night and complete. No else option.
Don't take so much of stress. You can complete it slowly and steady.
Ma'am, can you send me the recordings of classes so that I can even see what concepts you have already done?
I'll be sending you the link. Just check the recording of 5B.
Okay, ma'am.
Because
Okay,
it's a mix of 5B, 5A, and 4C.
Okay, ma'am.
Anything else, children, you want to ask?
Ma'am, my mother is joining.
What? Trisha?
And
My mother is joining.
Catherine, ma'am.
Yes, Anna.
Ma'am, I don't have like shoes available, and Mama is also like having a hectic schedule, so she's not able to go to tuck shop. So can tomorrow I wear any other shoes and then I can buy it from tuck shop?
Yeah, no problem.
Yes, ma'am. I also, ma'am. I can wear 4 shoes.
You can wear sports shoes and come to school because there is anyways the availability of shoes is not there in the school.
Okay.
So it will definitely take time. It's okay if you wear any sports shoes and come. No,
And ma'am, another query that I have to wear my grade 3 ID card or should I come without ID card? I don't
without
know.
it will also do. Yes, ma'am. Twisha's mom. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Yesterday I was not able to join on time, so I could not hear any instructions. So I joined today. I'm extremely sorry for that.
That's okay, ma'am. Just the instructions was that we'll be sending the timetable, the transport route, and all today after 5 p.m. in the classroom. The classes will run simultaneously, offline, online, and the timetable is going to be same for both online and offline. The children sitting at home will attend from home, and the children who are in school will be in the classroom. And that's about it. And food and transport was supposed to be confirmed, which I've confirmed from Trisha right now, that she's going to be using the school transport and the school food.
The
Any
fees are
questions
remaining.
you have?
The fees are remaining to be paid for food and transport yet. So most probably tomorrow I will stand with her.
Yeah.
And uniform I have not yet taken. So is there any stock at school, or you will send tomorrow with her?
Ma'am, that you'll have to talk to the tuck shop person if you have his number. She doesn't have the white uniform or the house t-shirt. Nothing at all, Trisha? Nothing?
It is lockdown effect. Nothing fits her.
Okay.
So I have passed on to other persons. Right now she doesn't have. So is it possible that tomorrow or for 1 or 2 days she comes in a civil dress?
No problem. We'll take.
With the shoes also we have to take.
Any sports shoes will do.
Any sports shoes. Okay. So and ID card she has of third standard.
That's not required as of now.
Not required. Okay. And I think all is clear.
Let's see.
Tomorrow she'll be coming and send me the bus timing
Yeah,
and routes.
we'll send you by evening.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.